this session for the scope of support of Pivotal Spring Cloud Gateway. The Pivotal Spring Cloud Gateway product is pretty straightforward in terms of scope of support. As you can see from the graphic here, Pivotal support covers the vast majority of what customers might encounter. We cover, when it's deployed through Pivotal application services. We cover everything from the operating system through stem cells, up through the foundation into the root FS, including the JDK itself, and obviously Spring Cloud Gateway software. Where we draw the line is with target applications. So Spring Cloud Gateway will sit in front of some set of applications, and those applications will respond with the actual requests that customers are accessing. And so as long as the gateway itself is talking to the applications and relaying responses, it's functioning correctly. So if there's an issue with the response itself or the upstream target application, that would be outside the scope of support. Deployment of the tile is similar. We support basically everything from Ops Manager up through the configuration and usage of service instances and routes. That's kind of CF create service and update service and all that. Of course, we support the broker, when there are issues there, and the backing service instances as well. What we don't support, again, is just the target application. So if it's misbehaving, if it's not responding, if it's overloaded, those are all things that are outside the scope of support. And generally what I just said is summarized in this table. The caveats to call out, again, with performance troubleshooting, we can help customers that are using the product in a legitimate way for business purposes. We do not support load testing of Spring Cloud Gateway itself, for the pure purpose of load testing the gateway. We limit the scope of support to be for actual applications that the customer is trying to build with our products. And also similar to most of the other scope of support documents, general guidance for application design, architecture, that sort of thing is outside the scope of support. If customers have questions in that area, they would want to talk with their PA. PAs have a better context for what the customer is trying to do, for the environment they're working in and their business goals. And so they are much better equipped to answer those sorts of questions. Again, pretty straightforward scope of support for Spring Cloud Gateway. If you have any questions, though, feel free to reach out to your SPM team or to one of the regional anchors. We can certainly help clarify any questions that might come up. Thanks for joining the session.